Hey guys, welcome to the CCFG Garage. Today we're going to go over selecting the right shop to do performance work on your cars. Listen, there's a lot of good shops out there, a lot of local shops, and we're not trying to take away from any of those. Certainly if you have a good local shop that can do engine building and tuning, stick with it. But it is a very slippery slope if you get the wrong shop. It costs thousands of dollars to do this, and selecting the wrong shop is not going to give you the outcome that obviously that you want. Unfortunately, I have a few friends that have gone down that road where they thought they had the right shop, and it turned out that it was a bad tune, bad motor build, whatever. And sometimes it takes years to get that money back. If they don't go out of business. So we're going to give a recommendation for, what we think is a safe bet, and you'll have a lot of enjoyment after it's done, and it'll be done properly. So, part of the reason why you join these groups is because we share ideas and share results on what works and what doesn't work and whatever. And don't be fooled into, this guy's the best. Take your time and get feedback from some of the members in the group and whatnot, whether it be ours or somebody else's, on, who does good work. And more importantly, talk to somebody who's had that work done for some time and is really happy with it. Don't use anybody recently, because chances are they may not see the problem. Some of these problems don't come out until a year or two down the road. So don't get stuck in that trap. Our recommendation today for this video is Lingenfelter Performance in Decanter, Indiana. The guys at Lingenfelter are top notch, and Lingenfelter doesn't sponsor this video. Lingenfelter is a supporter of our group, and we know they do really good work down there. It's not for everybody, so but it is a wise choice if you're going to take your car, whether it be off a lot or if it's an older Camaro and Firebird. We're going to share a link here. The links are in our YouTube page, so make sure you check those out, and don't forget to subscribe our videos. It really helps. This is not our full-time job. This is something we do as a hobby, and by having you support it really means a lot. So let's get at it. Hey guys, so we brought up this cool page to show you. It's the Camaro installed packages for Camaro and Camaro and Firebird for 97 to 02 Fort Gens. So you can check that out. We'll put the links for the page in the later in the video in the links section below. So check that out. Lingenfelter does everything from ZL1 packages to SS packages, like I said, the Fort Gen Camaro and Firebirds. They do it all down there. So check it out. Reach out to them, give them a shout. They do great work, and you will not be disappointed. So make sure you check that out. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please like and subscribe our videos. It really helps out a lot, and we will